Watch this and never throw away avocado seeds again. We all know that avocado is loaded with many healthy nutrients, especially healthy fats, and it can provide many health benefits for you and your health in general. It's very powerful and useful fruit. But did you know that avocado seed is much more powerful than the flesh? Well, yes, the avocado seed contains 65% of the amino acids in the avocado fruit, and it has more fiber than the actual fruit. The avocado seed can provide many health benefits, and these are the most important ones. Avocado seed, health benefits. This seed is very useful and beneficial in treating arthritis because of its anti-inflammatory properties. The anti-inflammatory properties make this fruit very useful in reducing inflammation of the gastrointestinal tract. Avocado seed is very useful in treating diarrhea, and it's frequently used for infections and stomach problems medication. A recent study has found that avocado seed can tighten and rejuvenate your skin because of its collagen content. This seed will energize your body and provide enough energy for your everyday tasks. The avocado seed can prevent cancer because it's loaded with flavonols. Note, you can add this seed to your favorite salads, smoothies, shakes, or you can make a tea out of it. Before you start using this amazing seed, you should know that some people suffer from allergic reactions to avocado and avocado seed. Well, there are two main forms of allergy. First, people with tree pollen allergy develop local symptoms in the mouth and throat shortly after eating avocado. Second, this allergic reaction is also known as latex fruit syndrome, and it's related to latex allergy. The most common symptoms of this allergic reaction include generalized urticarial, abdominal pain, and vomiting. You should also know that this allergic reaction can sometimes be life-threatening. As you can see, the seed of this amazing fruit can provide many health benefits. So, instead of throwing it away, you can use it in your favorite salads, smoothies, shakes, or make a tea. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.